Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to backup and restore all pinned software or program icons of a taskbar in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older Windows operating version, still these tricks will gonna work for you. So right now you can see my Windows taskbar, right? So these are the pinned software icons or program icons, whatever you like to say. So how you can backup this pinned software icons or program icons of your taskbar. So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Win plus R to open the run program, and in the run program just type this name, reset it, and after that hit enter, or you can click on OK. Now you can see our registry editor. So now here you can see our folder name HKey current user. Just select it and just click on this left arrow icon, and now just select the software folder and once again click on the left arrow icon, and now you can see here our folder Microsoft. Just select it and once again click on this left arrow icon, and now just scroll down below and just select this Windows folder and once again click on this left arrow icon and just select this folder current version and once again click on this left arrow icon, and now just select this folder Explorer and once again click on this left arrow icon and just scroll down below, and you will see here one folder named as Taskbar, right? Just click on it, and now once you selected this folder Taskbar, just right click on it and you will see an option here, export. Just click on export and select your location where you want to save this registry. So I'll just add a name, backup. You can give any name. I'll give it in desktop. So click on save. So I have done a backup of my pinned software icons of a taskbar. So let me minimize it. Now say let me remove some pinned icons, right? So let me remove it. So let me unpin it. Let me unpin this too. Let me unpin this pinned icon also, and let me just change the location. So I have made some changes on my Windows taskbar pinned icons. Now if you want to restore it back again, so what you need to do is just double left click on the backup registry file, click on yes. Now it will ask you, are you sure you want to continue? Just click on yes, click on OK. Now on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl Shift Escape and just scroll down below. Just select this Windows Explorer and click on restart. Now you can close this Task Manager. Voila, now you can see your pinned icons has been restored back. So you can see I have made some changes. I have changed the positions also. As you can see, all the pinned software icons of a taskbar are being restored back, as you can see here. So this is the way how to backup and restore all pinned software or program icons of a taskbar in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.